Okay, boys and girls, we're going to be buying pound JPY today. Why is that? Well, let me show you, shall I? Well, big shift down, starting to pull up. It's just broke this fib here. Drop this down into the hourly, and you'll see that it's pushed heavily along here. It tried to move down, and now it's moving up. So it's ready to drop an order in as we speak. So I'm going to do that now. So let me just drop the order in. So set it just above there. Kabash. Just pull it in its place because I kind of want to not so much go straight to market. Well, we are straight to market. Order's being filled. Bagger. There it is there. Okay. So let me just pull my sheet up. And if you wanted to see what was going on, I'm going to show you on the sheet. It's actually posted in here very early morning, so you can kind of see what's going on. You'll see all these little bits and pieces, all my videos, etc. And then there's today. It was posted at 20 to 8 this morning. Now I'm going to explain that to you so you can see what's going on. And this here is a WhatsApp channel. It's free. There's a link down in the description, and you can kind of see what I'm up to during the day. Now let me pull the bigger picture up because I need to adjust targets and things like that. What have we got? Well, the pound is at the bottom of the strength meter, and if you're looking for strength meters, you get them anywhere, you know, investing.com, that sort of thing. It's only got one way to go, which is up. Now we've got JPY at the top, and it's losing ground. Oh, whoa.
I've got you one as well.
Well, that's all right. I thought she hadn't minded me a coffee. You could have seen a proper domestic.
Would I?
Well, you would actually. You'd kick the shit out of us.
I would never.
She does, you know,
make
boys and girls.
myself a coffee and not you.
She hurts me, you know. Are you gonna hurt me? Oh, not really. Why?
What do you want to hurt from?
Well, in a nice way.
Oh, thing.
I was having a moment there, boys and girls. Right. So the pound's at the bottom, JP's at the top. Now we've also got JPY losing a lot of ground while the pound is gaining ground. So again, it's adding substance to why this would buy, and it's pushing up. Now, let me just quickly show you something as well. If you look on this side, you'll see the assets that I trade. That is there. So it was the best of the bunch this morning. It's got a base target of 19. Now it is a C trade because I try and grade the trades on what I'm looking at. Now in this case, it's in a heavy downtrend and I'm buying against it. But I think it's at the end of its move. But I'm not quite sure. So I'll do an initial trade and it's here. So it's based from this. That's the base target of 19, but I've downgraded it to 13, 15 pips. And that's what we're looking at. Okay. Now it's pushing up as we see here. Now let's have a little look as to where that's come from. Well, there's the big downshift that you can see. And it's trying to push up. The sellers came back in. It failed because it just came back to level as a retest. And then is moving back up. And what I'm doing is I'm targeting the tops of these sections here because that'll be the first visiting point. Now, once it gets through that, I can always reassess it and come back. Now, there's other things you can do as well. If we look here, that is a strong directional drive. It's failed. We've got a big chunky candle coming in, showing volume and moving the market back up. Now, what I can do is sort of go, well, it started there, got down to there. There's the 23, which is what its first block will be that it'll look for, just like so. Take this back down into 5 minutes so that I can monitor what's going on. So there's my target. There's where it's going to try and get to. You've got to cover your spreads, one thing and another. Currently, the spread on this is 2.5. So it's got to go there. And if it went another 2.5, it'll start pushing up into this. And if the spread widened, that's what you've got to worry about. Okay. So that's it. It's a nice, easy trade to start the day with. And it's all to do with patience. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the trade out. Now I'm going to change the format a little bit for those who watch the videos regular. I normally just sort of say, I'll play the trade out and then you see it carry on with a bit of music and one thing and another. And then I'll tell you what's going on at the end. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm still going to do the same thing, but I'll put the trade at the end of the video. And then if you want to see it play out, well, you can watch it. But otherwise, the next time it cuts off, I'll start from where it ended, if that makes sense. Did that make sense?
I was listening.
What do you mean you weren't listening? You should be hanging on my every word.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Yes, it made sense.
Do you know something? She's a right fucking cheeky bitch, yeah. Watch it. Right. Why aren't you hanging on my every word?
I am.
When?
I was enjoying my coffee.
You're enjoying your coffee and reading a load of shite. Fucking hell. And you think you lot have a hard life?
I was honest. I didn't try and flummox it.
You didn't try and flummox it? Well, let's be honest, shall we? Do you want me? You do, don't you? She wants me, boys and girls. She wants me. What bit of me do you want?
I'm saying nothing. It's wherever it's there, your choice.
Oh, go on. Make me day while we're watching the video. I mean, we're just about to put like the speedy bit on. I'll cut it out.
No, you won't.
I will.
You won't. You never do. You tell me anything. I know you well enough now to know you tell me anything.
No, I don't. I tell you the truth. That's why I'm always in trouble, actually.
Yeah,
Oh, fucking hell, I was in trouble. Actually, talking of things, when the trade's done out, I've got that to open as well.
Oh, yeah.
So, what do you mean? Oh, yes, it's got my name on it, not your fucking
I want
name.
to see what's in it.
Well, I want to see what's inside there, but you won't fucking show me. Go on, show me.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to play the video out. Next time I speak, the video will be done, and then you can see the video at the end of this, so it's still there. Right, catch you in a bit. Did the freeloaders fuck off yet? Catch you in a bit, guys. Okay, boys and girls, I need to use the camera now to go into a meeting at 11 o'clock. It's currently just after 10 to, so I need to prep. Now, at the moment, we've got 4 positions in. It's not that bad. It's bouncing up and down the range, as you can see. It's moving back for me. Now, we've already taken a little bit of money out of it already. We've taken 46 quid out already. There's another 18 quid there in positive. And when we get up to there, we should do okay. Now, if it finishes while I'm in the meeting, the speedy bit will be cut off. But in the meantime, I'll come back to you as soon as I'm done and I'll explain where we are and what we've done. Catch you in a bit. Okay, guys, As back. So let's flick over and see what's going on, because my lovely assistant has just brought me a new coffee and she's brought me my lovely lunch. If you want to see what lunch I get, look at her. Look at her pile over there, snuffler. And look at what I've got. A fucking egg and a
That's what you asked
protein.
for.
I know, I'm on a diet. Trying to get into shape. I'm actually in shape. Just so happens this week's shape's a sack of spuds, but that'll do. Right, let's see what we've been up to. Well, I was in the meeting with Tom, so a little salute to you, kid. We ran over a little bit, but there's nothing on the screen. It's cashed out. So to make certain I've got no tickets running. No tickets. And there you go. So that's running on. So I'm quite happy with that for a couple of days. What's the moral of the story? Same as what it always is. I planned it out. Sat and worked out what I required. And I wasn't greedy. Yes, it's ran on considerably further than where I could have gotten out. But I'm not worried. Why? Because, well, I targeted X amount and I got X amount. So that's fair, isn't it? Mm-hmm. So let's have a little look at this, and then we'll sound off. Now, I know who this is off, actually. It's off Dan. It's sleeping with Dan. Right? Because we let it slip in the meeting the other night, but I don't actually know what it is. It feels like a t-shirt. Okay. It's in a zippy bag. Get rid of that. Okay. It is a t-shirt.
What's it?
Oh, dear me. Right. That is what happens in our house all the time. Right? Can you see that?
No, I can't.
If you want my wallet, I'll fight you for it.
That's good there, actually.
And that's Baldy me. And then little Wingy. How good's that?
Excellent.
Excellent. It's fucking hilarious. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool, that. That is really cool. Oh, excellent. Thank you very much.
There you go. Answer the question.
Oh, that's superb, that. So, I've had a good day today. I've had a punch up with the council. That was interesting. Right, actually, you lot can answer this in the comments for me. We bought a new telly at the weekend, okay? And the old one had to get chucked away and we couldn't be bothered. So we arranged the council to come pick it up, and obviously the 2 office chairs that used to be here. So we put the telly in the box that the new telly came in, right? Put the telly outside with the 2 chairs, and the Muppets come along, took the telly out the box and just let all the packaging run all over the street. And then when we rang the council up, says, hey, hang on a second here. We paid you to come and take a telly away. Oh, you didn't say anything about the packaging. Wouldn't common sense tell you, grip big telly box with a telly in it, that I don't want to keep the box? I mean, are these people stupid? And that's why the UK is knackered. Now, I could get myself onto a right royal rant on this one. And I was on boiling point when I was on the phone, because when you speak to them, they are literally, I didn't say packaging. It says telly, and it's a telly box, and it's in the street to be thrown away. What part of that is not throw it away? I'm getting too old for this shit. I really am. I can't wait for my days to be over. I really can't. And trust me, they won't be that long. So, well, when it be, because you always threaten to murder me. They won't, actually. That's why I'm on a health kick, boys and girls. Yeah, I've been told I have to be on one. And do you know something? I don't give a shit. Yeah. What's going to happen? I'm only going to be shitting myself in nappies. I can do away with that. What?
That's a nice thought, isn't it?
Well, it's true, isn't it? I don't give a fuck. So, what we're going to do, I'm going to sign it off now. But after I've said my farewells, if you want to see the trade play out, you'll see the candles dancing. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.